after 2.5 hours of driving down, we're finally down in the car park. The rain is beginning to fall yet again. So the rain gear's on, have a quick coffee, and we're going to set off up Mount Brandon. As you make your way up Mount Brandon, you'll see on guides that it'll tell you there's markers along the way. These are the markers, and just be aware that they've seen better days, so there may be a few of them missing. At least I hope they're the markers, otherwise I'm in big trouble. So things have changed a little bit. As you can see, the fog is rolled in and I'm humming and hawing. I'm going to go a little further and we'll see how safe it is. But change of wardrobe, a few layers off because it got warm, but it got windy, so the peak cap is gone. But these are basically man-made piles of stones. As you can see, this area is a lot rockier, so it's quite hard to see where the path is. So you have the likes of these that mark pathways, and that is why you should never pile up stones anywhere you go. People do it for Instagram and social media photos, and they're really for guiding hikers in direction when you have bad visibility. Well, my friends, welcome to the summit of Mount Brandon. And as you can see, I haven't exactly the views that I've been hearing all about, and how that you can see some epic views across Dingle Peninsula. But you know what? You may not be able to experience it through the video, but I most certainly am experiencing the thrill of being up here, and that to me is better than any photo. So you guys will have to make it up here some stage yourselves. But for now, we're going to have some lunch and make our way back down. Like with every hike, folks, the way down is even more important than the way up, because this is where accidents happen. It's slippy, it's slidey, and you do not want to be falling. And another mountain is ticked off our list. So Mount Brandon, delighted to have got it done because it was on my list for a long time. Mount Brandon is actually the tallest mountain in Ireland outside of the McKillicuddy Reeks around the Killarney area. So yeah, it's I won't say it was easy. It was the legs are going to definitely feel it, but it was about 4 hours and 15-20 minutes altogether. And I suppose the top half of it was completely in clouds, so I was pretty much beelining the whole way, but that was also stopping, had lunch up on top and a few breaks and photo stops along the way. So as you can see, we're back at Roisin now, changed and tidied up. That is the peak up here, so we went up along here, along the ridge, and then the peak is just in the clouds there now, which the top half of it was in clouds when we were up there, which is a bit of a shame, but it just gives us inspiration to come back another time. So now the big question is, what do we do? Do we head on home, the 2.5 hour drive back to West Cork? But I'm thinking, seeing as the sun is out around the Dingle Peninsula, I'm thinking I'm off tomorrow, so I might just go and park up somewhere. I have the van equipped to stay over, so I might do that, and hopefully it's not going to be too cold. But I hope you enjoyed tagging along up Mount Brandon with me, folks. If you would like and subscribe, I'd be very much appreciative, because it really would help me out in terms of the YouTube. And on that note, folks, I bid you a farewell. Slán.